Hello, my name's Robert Adams, and I'd just like to take you through a little walkthrough tour of this lovely CD called White Christmas. And it really is, I think the best way to describe it's a really charming Christmas CD-ROM. So without any further ado, let me just sort of show you some of the contents, give you a snapshot of what you'll find on it. Okay, load it into your computer, and it runs off Adobe Reader Acrobat Reader. 9 is recommended for XP, Vista and Windows 7, 9 or above. Okay, so pop it in, up will come the instructions here, well basically the copyright, and then if you agree to that, basically you can't sell on, etc. Click on to OK, and we come up to the main menu here. Now on here we've got a range of different elements. We've got the toppers and images, we've also got backing papers, editable inserts, Christmas tags, some beautiful Christmas pop-ups, speciality papers, editable greetings, which in this instance is what we call our digital ribbon, and we've got our envelope templates. So it really is absolutely jam-packed, this CD. So let me now begin by showing you what's on the topper images. And again, because there's so many, we've put it into 2 sets. So I'll just very quickly run through them. So set 1 here, we've got a lovely range of different images, from sort of very religious, iconic religious, to something perhaps a little bit more whimsical, and then just sort of everything in between. It's just some beautiful images on here. If I could just indulge for a moment and just show you one of mine which I particularly like, is this image here, this Christmas bridge, beautiful winter scene, and you'll notice a little trademark of this is usually a robin sitting somewhere. Now, White Christmas has been updated, and we've actually included stackopage. If you click onto that element of it, you will see now that you can actually use the stackopage elements here to build up your card, and they come in both large, which is for A5, and for small, and then there's text editable elements on here as well, and for that you will need Adobe 8 and above to access that, to change the color and size of font, etc. So where applicable, these images now have a text editability to them for those that were a little bit more complicated and really decoupage wouldn't work. So that's an exciting new feature, and as you can see we've got a lovely range. I'm just going to click in at random here, fireplaces. So you can make if you've got lots of Christmas cards, you can make them nice and quickly. Just simply click on and create a single card, or if you want to, go to the stackopage and the elements are there for you as well. So that's set 1. Set 2, again, it's all to do with snow is the theme behind here, hence White Christmas. And we've just got a range of things from just winter snow scenes here to something a little bit more whimsical with perhaps our snowman and our penguin here. So as you can see, it's what I like about this is there's a little bit of something from everything for everyone here. We've got our traditional Christmas robins, which is just beautiful simplistic card that looks lovely, to perhaps something a little bit more fun like a snow globe, or even poor little Rudolph standing there. Okay, so those are your 40 main images, and as I said, where applicable, they will come with stackopage. So if it's a more complicated image, just look on the top left-hand corner, look for the stackopage, and then you'll be able to use that if you want to. Okay, so those are the main elements, but we've also got some lovely backing papers on here, and these are just simple text. So they're based on words. We've got, say, away in a manger, deck the halls, hark the herald angels, joyous Noel, Merry Christmas, season's greetings, and silent night. So click onto one, and they'll come up in a range of sort of pre-done Christmas colours for you, and you can either have them angled, if you want to as well, like this, or straight. So the choice is yours. So simply just click onto a paper and print it off. It makes for a really lovely backing paper. Okay, we've also got some musical manuscript as well, again in different colours, and this just is another aspect for your card making if you want to add to that. And then we've got editable inserts as well, and again these are based on the words which we've got here, like away in a manger and at an angle, and then in here is the editable part as well. So you've really got all the bases covered with this CD. It really is fantastic, those features alone, but it keeps on going. So we've got these, again, text editable gift tags now, which you can use as a gift tag, or you can make them as toppers. They make fantastic little mini cards as well, and those again come in our sort of traditional Christmas colours, which we've opted for, which is the blue, the gold, the green and the red. So again, we like to feel all the bases are covered. Now a little bit of extra something here, which is a big extra something. You've got some beautiful pop out cards here. And now these can be just kept in pure white for the beauty of the card, or if you want to, you can then go on and colour them in yourself and just decorate them. So click onto one of them and up will come a movie showing you how to make the card, a picture of it, an example here of the template, and then just click on the template itself and up it will come. Now they're in a very light colour, which probably won't show up on the screen there, but will when you print it out. So you will need Adobe Reader 9 or above in order to watch the videos for these. So you've got 8 of those on here, and again it's just sort of a beautiful example of some of the cards that you can make and the versatility of this CD-ROM. So we've got Angel, a snowman, our Christmas candles with holly, Christmas tree, Santa, snowflake, one we just looked at, a Christmas chimney with a stocking, and Teddy in a stocking here. So some really lovely little images there as well to work with. Some a little bit more difficult to make than others, but nevertheless good fun, and it adds another dimension. It's another set of Christmas cards that you can make. We've got some speciality Christmas papers and a bonus gift. So these are just extra papers which I've designed. I rather like them, and I think there's just a bit of colour, a bit of zing and a bit of fun with it. So if I say click onto this one, I mean it almost doubles up as wrapping paper as well for smaller presents, but it certainly makes for a very festive backing paper for you. And as I said, you've got a range of those on here, and they also come in a tint, because I must admit I do like to work with the tints, as we can probably just about make out here. You can see those. And the bonus gift is a couple more images to create your Christmas cards, extra things I put on there, and a few extra papers which I decided would look rather nice, and I would sort of give those to you as well. So I hope you can appreciate this really has got a lot on it. And again, it doesn't stop there. We've got our greetings ribbons, digital ribbon, large and small, really useful. You can text edit these. Yeah, I've got Merry Christmas on here. You can write whatever you like, cut it out, stick it across the card. Absolutely fantastic, very, very versatile, and an absolute gem for just sort of giving those finishing flourishes to your cards. Large and small, so you've got a variety there to work with. Then we've got our greetings scrolls, again blue, gold, green and red, and click onto those, and they're text editable, so you can cut those out if you wish. I think the gold ones look rather splendid as well. So you just click onto the type, highlight it, and then you can put your own greetings message in there if you want to. They come pre-written up as Merry Christmas for you. And last but not least, you've got a range of envelope templates, bags and boxes as well to work with. So we can have square cards, A5, A6, a standard DL, mini toppers, A7, etc. So all in all, it really is quite a jam-packed CD, this one. And last but not least, to look on here, 2 things to note. Click here for downloads. There's a download button. Some people wanted slightly darker pop-up templates, so you can download those from here. And we've also got the help menu as well. Should you need any help, it's pretty straightforward, but there's a help menu on there. Always worth checking if you've got a wee bit of a problem. Go there first. Okay, I've got to put my hand on the heart and say I love this as a Christmas CD-ROM. Heart and soul went into this one. I hope you enjoy it as much as I did making it. I think it truly is a classic, and just summing up, I'd like to say, I think what makes this one so special is it's a timeless beauty and quality to everything that's on it. You can reach for it year after year, find something new, create something different. It won't date. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the CD-ROM.